Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows Media Player not working in Windows 11. First method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps. Search with Media Player. Click three dots, click Advanced Options. Repair and reset. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Installed Apps. Search with Media Player. Click Uninstall. Search with Windows Media Player. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.